So you might be in a situation where your iPhone is shutting down randomly. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, your iPhone that you have in your hands, it's basically going through and it's just like kind of shutting down. It's not really turning on, and you're trying to figure out how to turn it back on if it's just kind of just like, on its main display, or if it just keeps shutting down randomly at random times. Number one, the first thing I'd recommend every single person to do is to go through and just see if you can go through and double check your battery health. This is going to be one of the most important things that can probably end up addressing this problem. So try going through and try seeing if you can go through and check your battery health. Go inside of your iPhone settings right here. Go inside of your battery options, which is right up at the very top. And what you're going to want to do here is just double check your battery health. So tap on battery health, and right over here, if your maximum capacity is very low, if it's like at 70% or 60 something, that's going to be a big problem, and that's going to be the main reason why you're running into this type of issue. So go through and make sure that's not the glaring issue in this particular situation, and that's going to be the very first thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about. Now, if that doesn't seem to be the problem, the next thing I'd recommend doing here as well is to go through and just see if you can kind of readjust and update your phone. Sometimes a simple update can end up fixing this problem, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation as well. So go back into your iPhone settings, scroll down until you find this general settings option here, tap on it, tap on software update, and see if you can basically update your particular iPhone. Because that right there can also be another really easy way of kind of fixing and addressing this problem as well. If that still doesn't do it, then you might want to try seeing if you can kind of send in your iPhone to repair. Sometimes there can be a battery issue kind of going on. You might also want to see if you have a case that presses on the power button. If you have a case that presses on that power button, that can also kind of be the issue. So hopefully that covers it up for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.